Warren, are you done working yet, man?
No.
How can you work in this place? It's gorgeous.
I'm sorry, I have to get this done.
No, Warren.
Get him, boys.
You're done. Hey, you're done working, buddy. You're done. You're done. Ah! Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we got everyone in there? Hey everyone, we are really sorry, but we do not have an episode for you this week, and we have a pretty good excuse because we're currently in Bora Bora chartering with all of our patrons, and we're having such a good time. So we'll resume the show next week, but this is an opportunity to maybe jump on a boat with us because we plan on chartering another boat in the Med sometime in September. So sorry for not having an episode, but not sorry.
And watch next week or you too will be swimming with the fishes.
Oh, look at that.
A massive thank you goes out to our patrons who support our channel and have made this huge journey to come down and spend a week aboard with us. This is our first Patreon charter and it was such a blast. We had an amazing time with everyone and we have already started planning our next one. So stay tuned and become one of our patrons today for a future opportunity to sail again with We. Thanks again for following the adventures and see you next week.
Let's do that again.
This time I'm